to room 603B and the bathroom. It's got large mirror shelves for whatever it is that you need to have. It's very clean and has a new water heater, all new tile. Okay, coming in, this is a brand new bed. All of the furniture in this room is brand new, never been used before. Brand new bed, new kitchen table, new couch which folds down into a bed and coffee table. And the sliding glass door opens and goes out to the kitchen area. Again, all of this is new. Lots of storage under. This is all lighted storage. There's plenty of shelves and lighting so you can see what's going on underneath when you're cooking. Sink area and the cupboard. Okay, and here's one of the best things about this condo is the view. It's a really nice view to the mountains. Okay, and it's got a microwave and refrigerator included, shelving behind so you can put like a pantry area. And again, this is the area for the kitchen. This is outside on the balcony, and then there's this sliding glass door to separate so you don't have cooking smells coming into the room. And then continuing on, you can see the new lighting throughout the unit. Okay, got a tie fan, picture fan over the bed. Actually, that's going to be on this other wall over here when it's done. But here's the rest of the furniture, like a credenza kind of thing with the TV on it. All of this again is brand new, never been used before. I put in extra sockets, plug areas so you can have plenty of places to plug in. There's several of these all around. And new wardrobe, mirrored wardrobe, and then there is also a makeup. So that's the unit. Again, back to the bathroom. Any questions? Get in touch. Be happy to answer them for you.